Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make sorts in Google Slides and how you can convert them and upload them for Google Classroom and Seesaw and potentially BoomCards if you'll have those. Okay, so first I come over to PowerPoint actually because I like their fonts and everything, and then I take this whole image, right? I mean, it's a chart, it's a bunch of things going on. I take the whole slide. This is the easiest way I've found for me, at least. I take the whole slide, I command copy, I come over here, and let's see, I want to make a new slide. Make an empty slide, and I command paste. Now what this is, it attaches everything with an image. The other way you can do this is make it either in slides or in PowerPoint. And then when you go to save, where is my save? Hold on. Gotta move my little self. Let's try again. Oh, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go to download, sorry, and I'm gonna download it as JPEGs or PNGs. Either or will give you images. So that's essentially what I did. This is now an image, it's all stuck together. Okay, the next thing I wanna do is upload some place value blocks, which I'm actually gonna delete that slide. It'll let me. And then I'm gonna come over here to the slide that I've already done. Okay, so I just basically took a place value block, command copy, command paste. I pasted a bunch of them and then I carried them over to I'm gonna call it like their home. And what the students are going to do is they're gonna end up eventually dragging them all out here. I also created some text box down here so that the students can write how many hundreds they have, tens, and ones. Okay, seems pretty simple so far. Hope that doesn't confuse you. The only thing that's moving are the text boxes I can move and the place value blocks. Everything else is stuck because it's a picture. Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do is I can up it into Seesaw. And if I had the premium version, mine had expired, but if I did, I would upload pictures of these blocks to make them work for Seesaw. Okay. And then, of course, I do this to every slide. I want to reiterate that if I haven't said it already. So go in, you can tell I've already manipulated these. Okay, so then the next thing I want to do is, let's say I want to share on a Zoom where everyone can have access to the same Google Slides form. So first I'm going to create some hyperlinks. So you can see I've already made 2. Let's go ahead and make a 3rd. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link Edna. When she comes, I want her to work on slide 4. So I'm going to come down to slide 4 for Edna. So what I can do is I can share this link and they'll all get to this main screen. I can obviously make it cuter. And then if I was Paige, I would click my name and then click where it's going to take me. And then I can start working. Now, as the teacher, I would go down here to the grid view so you can see all your students working at the same time. Pretty cool, right? Okay, but let's say you don't want everyone to have access to the same document. You want them to do all the slides by themselves with their own copy. So what I would do is, let's bring these back. I mean, I don't have to, but you get the point. I'm putting them back in their home. So I'm going to go to my class, and what I'm going to do is hit this add button. I'm going to add from Google Drive. Once it loads, I'm going to pick whatever slides or whatnot that I'm wanting to upload. So I've got all my options, and then I'm going to hit place value sort because that's the one I want. And it already told me that I've already done this. So right here is my place value sort, and now here's where they can view it. You'll hit this drop down arrow. They can edit the same document, or if you want everyone to have their own, you make a copy for each student. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. You can change the different things in Google Classroom, and of course add a title and some instructions. Let me see what else. You can also upload this straight into BoomCards if you know how to do those. And I like BoomCards because it'll let you know immediately, like the kid will have immediate feedback on whether or not they have it right. The only problem with BoomCards is it is also a paid feature, just like Seesaw is making us pay now. So your best bet is Google Classroom. Or you can just share on a Zoom call, and you can give kids access to this and have the kids move them. And then down here is where they could click to type how many ones they have. Okay, you can use this in math, science, ELAR, like all the subjects. I really see it working well with vocabulary, matching the equation to the word problem, for grammar, dragging the verb, the V letter to the verb, and so on. So I kind of hope this helps. I know I'm not the greatest right now at public speaking, but I've recorded this 4 times and I've had a lot of mic issues. So this is the last time, and hopefully the recording works when I go back to play it, because I'm not sure I want to do it again. So yeah, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks. Bye.